Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to grant permissions to for our applications to use our location. So we need to go to Settings, then Location menu, and we first of all have to turn it on. Right now, as you can see, there are no recent applications that used our location. We can add some. We have some by default here, for example, Bixby Voice or Google, which applications are not allowed to use our location. Practically all that have this function here, but let's say we want our camera to have permission, so we can choose ask every time or allow only while using this app. So let's check this little box. Back out, no need to save. As you can see, allow only while in use. We have our camera application here. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.